Hi, it's Patrick. In this video, I'm going to show you how to streamline your building process using components. Components are reusable assets which you can replicate across all different pages on your site. If you are familiar with Figma, you'll be very familiar with components. We'll start by using this header right clicking and creating a component name. The component come into our assets file where you can see the component lives. You can see the component instance here. This is the source of truth. So anything you change on this component will change across all your pages which contain the component. Let's change the color of this logo. We'll make it black. Come back to pages, click on home, and you can see that the logo is now black instead of purple. And that's an intro into components. If there is anything else you'd like to learn on Framer, feel free to drop me a message or email. Bye.